Hi friends, welcome to Jupiter's collection. My name is Kavita and I'm from Mumbai. I have some rare scarce coins for you all today. Let's start. Grow More Food, Mumbai Mint, UNC condition, 200. Indira Gandhi, Mumbai Mint, UNC condition, 100, 50 paise. Sant Dhaneshwar, Mumbai Mint, UNC, 200 rupees each. I have two. Cellular Gel, UNC, Mumbai Mint, 200. Nehru 50 paise, English Legend, Mumbai Mint, UNC, 200. Hindi Legend, Mumbai Mint, 100. 1995, Noida Mint, 5 rupees case coin, 200. Nehru Kolkata Mint, Hindi Legend, 50 paise, UNC condition, 100 rupees. English Legend, Kolkata Mint, UNC, 200. 2000 Noida, 5 rupees, 200. Plant Family, Mumbai Mint, BU, 200. Mahatma Gandhi, UNC, Mumbai, 200. 2006 cross coin, UNC, 300. Very scarce coin. Commonwealth Games, BU, Noida, 200. 2002 Noida Mint, BU, 300. This is in the sleeve. 76 Kolkata Mint, single mint coin. This is UNC condition, 300. Commonwealth Hyderabad Mint, BU condition, 200. Supreme Court, Mumbai Mint, BU condition, 300. 2003 BU condition, Hyderabad Mint, 100. 25th anniversary, Kolkata Mint, UNC condition, 200. Water for Life, UNC condition, Kolkata Mint, 300. FAO, Mumbai Mint, UNC condition, 300. Mild rotation also there. 1957 B, first 25 paise, and 1957 C, 300 rupees each. Care for Girl Child, Hyderabad Mint, extra fine condition with the proper full star mint mark. You can check the mint mark. Only for 500 rupees. 1990 Dabbu coin, UNC condition, very scarce coin, only for 400. Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, Noida Mint, UNC condition, very scarce coin. Mumbai one only selling for 300, 400, but Noida is rarer than Mumbai one, only for 300. Quit India Movement, Kolkata Mint, UNC condition, only for 400. Shyama Prasad Mukherjee, UNC condition, Kolkata Mint, 500. Aurobindo, Kolkata Mint, BU condition, this is for 400 rupees. If you want both becomes 900 rupees. You can see I'll give it for 800 rupees as a set. You can take it for 800 rupees, 100 rupees discount if you take a set. 2004 Hyderabad Mint, UNC condition, and 1998 Noida Mint. This is a set for 200 rupees, both for 200 rupees. Otherwise, this is for 200 and this is for 100. Take a set for 200. Rain Fed Farming, Mumbai Mint, UNC condition. Mumbai Mint 300. K Kamaraj, Hyderabad Mint, BU condition 400. Spawn Family, UNC condition, Mumbai Mint, very scarce coin, 400 rupees. 2 Anna 1919, single mint coin, this is scarce coin, only for 300. Deshbandhu, Noida Mint, UNC condition, this is a B lion variety, only for 500. You see B lion plus UNC condition, this is Agri Expo, UNC condition, rare coin, Mumbai Mint. See the luster. This is for 700. And Tamil Conference, Mumbai Mint, UNC condition, very scarce coin. This is also for 700, but I am giving it as a set. This set is for only 1200 rupees. It will cost you only 600 rupees. Only set 1200. Subhash Chandra Bose, Mumbai Mint, BU condition, 700 rupees. 1954 Kolkata Mint, extra fine condition, this is. And 1955 Kolkata Mint, both for only 200 rupees set. This set is for 200 rupees. Otherwise single coin is for 200 and 100 rupees. So 100 rupees discount. Youth Year, Mumbai Mint, BU condition, 600 with the golden luster. Tourism Year, Mumbai Mint, BU condition, very scarce coin, 400. Tukaram, Noida Mint, UNC condition, 300. Tamil Conference, Hyderabad Mint, AUNC condition for 400. One more is there, AUNC condition, Hyderabad Mint, this also. But this you can see front and back die crack is there. I don't know, very thin die crack is there. See, you can see here like that line is going on. This side one line is there, and front also there is a one like that die crack is there. Here you can see here, this here. Same price only for 400 only. Nothing is charged extra. Biodiversity, Mumbai Mint, BU condition, 400. Tamil Conference, Noida Mint, BU condition, 700. Ekam 21, Hyderabad Mint, BU condition, rare coin, 500. Happy Child, Nation's Pride, Hyderabad Mint. This is a rare coin, you don't get so easily. This is a UNC condition, but comes in this type only luster. More luster doesn't come in this. This is only for 500 rupees each. See the lion. Only for 500 rupees each. See the mint mark, clear mint mark. 1993 Parliamentary, UNC condition, single mint coin, this is. See the luster, only for 800 rupees. It's a half rupees. Kolkata Mint, 1956, 500. Half rupee, 1956, Kolkata Mint, 200. 54 Kolkata Mint, UNC condition, 1000. And this also UNC condition, this 56, forgot to mention here. Youth Year, Kolkata Mint, UNC condition, with your ghost image is there on top of the lion. You can see here. Normal price only I am giving it for 400 rupees. Nothing is charged extra. World Food Day, Hyderabad Mint, UNC condition, 900. Jai Prakash Narayana, Hyderabad Mint, UNC condition, 200. 1947 Lahore Mint, rare coin, Hyderabad Mint, Lahore Mint, only for 1400. Extra fine plus Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Noida Mint, rare coin with the clear mint mark. You can see the mint mark is there here. Only for 800 rupees. Very nice condition. Commonwealth Parliamentary, 1991, Mumbai Mint, BU condition. This is ghost image coin. You can see all the legend from back here, all is printed here, and here you can see here this side legend is printed here. Only for 700 rupees because it's already sold. I'm just showing in the video. Food and Environment, Noida Mint, 600 rupees, UNC condition, 600, all UNC condition, only for 600 rupees each. Mother's Health, Noida Mint, UNC condition, 2000 rupees. One more is there. This is also UNC condition. This is for 1800 rupees. One for 2000, one for 1800. Quit India Movement, BU condition, Kolkata Mint, very scarce coin, only for 800 rupees. Golden Lustre. Agri Expo, Kolkata Mint, UNC condition, rare coin with the clear line, 1800 rupees. You hardly get to see clear line in Kolkata Mint. Happy Child, Nation's Pride, BU condition, Hyderabad Mint. After a long time I got this. It's a rare coin, only 11 lakh mintage. See the clear star mint is there. 700 rupees each. Small Family, Hyderabad Mint, UNC condition, 800 rupees. The clear star mint, 50 paise. 1963 Mumbai Mint, 200. 61 Mumbai Mint, 200. Mild rotation also there. 62 Mumbai Mint, 200. 62 Kolkata mint extra fine condition, 200. It's a rare coin. 69 Mumbai mint, 300. 67 Mumbai mint, UNC condition, 300. 25th anniversary silver coin, UNC condition. This is a Mumbai mint. See the luster. Only for 2,500 rupees. (1962) Kolkata mint, UNC condition. Only for 1,500 rupees. Mahatma Gandhi Mumbai mint, BU condition, Mumbai mint, 2,000 rupees. Water for life, UNC condition. This is, you can see clear mint mark, Mumbai mint, clear Mumbai mint. Actually in this Mumbai mint water for life, mint mark doesn't get printed, but see B lion, rare coin. With this lion, this is a rare coin. See the luster, UNC condition. See the lion. Only for 2,000 rupees. Very rare coin. 1911 pig variety, Kolkata mint, rare coin. See the condition. All the details are clear. And see all the details, everything is clear, everything is written. 1 quarter Anna, 1911. The rare coin, only for 1,800 rupees. Very difficultly you get this coin nowadays. BU condition, Noida mint, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. See the disc effect. Only 3,400 rupees. I'll show you the mint mark also. Check the mint mark. You must always buy with the mint mark. See, there is the mint mark. BU condition, only for 3,400 rupees. 1955 Mumbai mint, half rupees, UNC condition, rare coin. Check the coin. Disc effect you can see. Only for 5,000 rupees. It's a very rare coin in the condition, this condition. Hardly you get to see in UNC condition. This is a UNC condition coin, only for 5,000 rupees. Nehru Noida mint, rare coin, UNC condition. See the mint mark. Very clear mint mark this has. And see the ring. And this is the lace ring. This way, lace ring you can see on Nehru's shirt until the neck. That's called lace ring. UNC condition coin, this is rare coin with the proper good mint mark. Only for 4,000 rupees. Mild rotation also there. Very good coin this is. (1967) Mumbai mint, UNC condition, rare coin, rare 25 paise. See the disc effect. Only for 2,800 rupees. And I have some date variety. This is a big date. You can see 1988. Big date. And the other small date. Mumbai mint coin this is. Rainfed farming BU set. This is for only 700 rupees. I'm not charging anything extra. It's a normal coin charges only. 300 I sell this coin. So here only became 600 and 100 rupees only extra charging for the date variety. Bolu ghost image set this is. See here the ghost image. Only for 500 rupees, Mumbai Mint. $1970 Mumbai Mint, rare variety this is. Different lion, small lion and big lion, only for 400 rupees. Basveshwar copper nickel coin. This is also lion variety. Chitrandana Das, B lion, Noida Mint, B lion and C lion set for 800 rupees. UNC coin this is. UNC set coin. B lion and C lion only for 800 rupees. Lastly I have Allahabad High Court, Noida Mint. BUNC condition, these are only for 50 rupees each. If anyone wants to add some, can add 50 rupees each. That's all for today friends. Thank you for watching. See you again.